Hello, and welcome to another unboxing of a Svbony telescope. In this one, we have the 60mm solar refractor. And I'm going to start by doing the unboxing of everything that we have here. I'm going to show everything up here in this corner here to show you what comes in each box as you unbox them. We're going to start off with the travel scope. So you can see here, it is a 60mm. It does come with the film. So as you can see, it has the film on the outside. The next one you can see, it does have the tripod. It does come with 2 levels, so you can see there. For demonstration purposes, we're only going to do one. Like so. And we'll just put that right there for now. The accessories we have is the diagonal, which as you can see here, it does come with a 3-time Barlow. Also, it does come with a 20mm eyepiece and a 9mm eyepiece. Okay. As you can see, it also comes with the finder. And the finder does have a little bit of a filter on there too, so if you're looking at the sun, again, this is a solar travel scope. So then that way you'll be able to see. Also does come with a planetary diagram. And I want to open this up for everybody to take a look at. It is really cool. It does have distances. There we go. So as you can see there, very, very nice. Distances of the planets, also the sun. So it is really cool. We'll leave that right there. It does come with an instruction guide and how to set it up and how to put it together, which I'll be doing in just a second. And it does come in this box, which is right here. So to put this together is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You're going to have the actual mount here itself. There is a little bit of a knob on the bottom, so you're just going to twist it until it starts to get a little bit tight, and tighter, until it's in. So now it's locked in. So we're good. Okay. We're going to put the finder on. I'm going to turn it to the side here so you can see it. It does come with 2 little screws. So there's screw number 1. And screw number 2. So now it's on tight. Okay. We are going to put the diagonal on. And what the great thing about this one is it does have 2 locking screws, which is really nice for tight and firmness, so that way it doesn't go anywhere. One cool thing that the last and final thing is for this. And what this one does is for your cell phone, which is super, super cool. And what you just do is you take the eyepiece, you slide it in like so, it's locked in, there's a little bit of a knob here, you tighten it up, and then what you do is you put the actual cell phone right on here, and then you are just set and ready to view with your cell phone, just like so. So everything that you see here comes with the box. Again, this is a great travel scope to look at the sun, especially with the eclipse coming up on August 21st, 2017. It is something I would definitely recommend for everybody else to buy. Thank you for watching and have a great day.